Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. I'm Shoptik and you're watching soupart. Today's drawing is of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was the second Prime Minister of India. Mostly we know him for the mysterious death that surrounds his stories. But there are such enormous things that he has done. I would request every Indian who's watching to go and search about him on Wikipedia, and you will be stunned to know he was such a good human being, first of all. And as a Prime Minister, he was always up for the country. So I started this drawing not with the instructions, but I wanted to let everyone who's watching me know that we should remember Lal Bahadur Shastri as a great human being, as a great Prime Minister. And as I have written in the description and the title, this drawing is for the Shastri Jayanti, that is on 2nd October is his birthday. We definitely know it as Gandhi Jayanti, that is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, but we should also remember the same day as Lal Bahadur Shastri's birthday, and that's very important. So for the drawing, the reference photograph that I used was from Wikipedia. If you search Lal Bahadur Shastri, as I said, please do it. Then you will see the first link coming up from Wikipedia. And the photograph that Wikipedia has is this one, which was my reference. So what I did here is I first made the outlines with a 2H and then a HB pencil. So if you concentrate enough in the drawing and try it yourself, then if you are interested in drawing Lal Bahadur Shastri, then you would be able to do it easily. So that's a very important thing, the proportions here in this drawing, because I have tried to keep it very simple. I've used only graphite pencils here, no charcoals were used. I just want everyone who's watching it and who's interested in drawing portraits should try Lal Bahadur Shastri's drawing too. So friends, this drawing is easier than any different other portrait approaches. What we do here is we take a photograph and you can then make the outlines with obviously the way you would like to do it. I like to do it in freehand, as you all know. Now in my channel I have always done it in freehand because that's how you get the experience of drawing anyone and anywhere actually. So that helps. So freehand drawing, just do the proportions correctly, and then what you do is darken the outlines, all the parts of the face and whatever you want to do, the shoulders or the chest and everything in a portrait, and then you slowly go inside and show the dark, like the shades, the dark and light playing ground is there for you. So this approach was a new one. I liked this style. I tried it on Teachers Day drawing for Dr. Radhakrishnan, and for this drawing also I tried the same thing. I got a good response for the Teachers Day drawing, hence I thought of drawing this in the same pattern. So let me know how you would like to draw Lal Bahadur Shastri, or if you were unaware of his achievements or he as a human being or a prime minister, or if you have started knowing about him and you are stunned, let me know that. And if you are drawing him, then I would suggest that you should hashtag the Shastri Jayanti as I did it for this video. So that would definitely make people aware of him and his works, like the milk revolution, the white revolution of India that was brought in by this person. So this is just one example, and there are like hundreds of his works which we are not that much aware of. Definitely the people who are interested in politics or about the country, they definitely are aware, but there are many people who do not know. So I would suggest everyone, as I said, that please go ahead and read about him and he was definitely someone to know about. No, really, you would surely be stunned, as I said. And for the drawing, again, coming back to it, the pencils that I have used, you can see, is only Staedtler, and that was graphite pencil. And I used the top-down approach. I started from the top. In fact, he used to wear a cap every day, the Gandhi topi that we call it in Hindi. So that means the Gandhi cap. So that is what he used to wear. So I sketched it first, and then slowly from the top I went down. And once the outlines were finished, and I started shading, and the shading also had the same approach of top down, as you have seen. So what I did is I kept the shadings a bit subtle, not too much into it, not too deep, because I just wanted to have this sense of his face, and that came out really well. I mean, I was quite pleased with the results at the end of the video. So stay with me till the end of the video. If you like the drawing, then please, this is the right time. You need to hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, then come on guys, you need to subscribe now. If you like drawing videos, if you like drawing as a whole, if you want to improve your drawing, I guess this channel, my channel, can surely do it. And even if you have got requests of drawing someone, I do take it up every time. And in the recent future, you'll be getting the Inktober 2020 for sure. I have started planning for it. I would bring it a bit earlier so that you guys can get some benefit of drawing in the Inktober with all the official announcements of Inktober, the prompts, the official prompts and everything. So I'll be drawing the Inktober drawings with simple pens and simple ink, so that will be accessible to anybody and everybody. So that should also help you guys. So consider subscribing. That's definitely gonna help you. So I look forward to interacting with every one of you. I love your comments. I love to reply all of them. So please keep commenting and keep supporting me. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.